Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can customize a form. Here we have some forms. To customize a form, simply click on the form name. Here's our form. First of all, let's change the logo. Simply click on this logo. Pick a new logo and hit open. Our logo is updated. Here you can change the form name. Below that, you can change the form description. And here we have all the form fields. You can rearrange these fields like this. If you want to delete any of the unnecessary fields, you can simply click on this remove button. So we have two fields, first name and last name. Let's combine these. We can create a new field with the full name. So we'll simply delete this one first. And let's change the field name here. And here you can put a placeholder text. Our new field is ready. You can also mark a field as required by clicking on this check mark. You can add new fields by clicking on this plus button. And from here you can add anything. You can use the search bar to find any specific field. Let's quickly add a website URL field. So we'll simply click on Add next to the website URL. Here we need to enter the field name. This is a URL field, and here we need to enter field description and hit Add Field. Our new field is here. Now let's drag and drop it onto our form. And here we have just added a new field. Now let's change the form background color. You can pick any color from here. So let's pick this light color. Below that, you can change the submit button color. So this is our current submit button color. To change this, simply pick any color from here. Let's pick this one. In the settings, you can add reCAPTCHA. You can enable or disable Kroolo branding. You can limit the number of responses. Simply enable this toggle. And here you can input the number. Let's disable this as we don't need this. And from here you can schedule a close date. And this is how our form looks. You can also add a picture in the background. Simply click on this image icon. And from here you can select any picture. We'll keep it very simple, so we'll stick with this light background. Once all the changes are done, simply click on Preview. And here's our form preview. That's how you can easily customize a form in Kroolo. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.